So here's a little footage of a demo of a presentation I did of Ashiatsu Barefoot seated massage. I did this presentation for one of the FSMTA Massage Association meetings. So here you can see all you need is a massage table, and I like this folding bar stool with a back on it from IKEA. I'm also going to sneak in some close-ups, but I have to be careful not to show too much skin or I get into trouble. So I've already applied the massage cream and I clean my feet with antibacterial wipes before I touch the client. But as you can see, I'm working from the side here. I work with the outside edges of my feet, the flat sole of my feet, and also my heel. It may look like I'm not doing much, which is the best part because that's a little effort on my part, but the pressure is very deep. And I'm going to let you listen in as he tells you about what it's like to receive a barefoot massage. So take a listen.
Not tell that she was not using her hands. Wow. She was so articulate with her feet and toes.
So there you have it. The clients cannot tell the difference between your hands or your feet. Hi, I'm Michelle Mace, and I help massage therapists grow and market their businesses using awesome hand-saving techniques. So Ashiatsu Seated, it's a game changer for massage therapists, especially those who do mobile house calls. It's also good for if you work in an office or you do both. You don't need any bars. You just need a massage table, a tall bar stool, some antibacterial wipes, lotion, and of course, you need a client. You can still use your hands, but I'm going to do the bulk of the deep work with my feet. It's a balanced approach to massage therapy, and I get results faster and that last longer than with my elbows and thumbs. The client is totally relaxed, so I'm not having to wrestle with the tissues to get the job done because my feet are large and they have a compressive effect on a bigger area, so it kind of dulls the sensory receptors. And because my stool is higher than the massage table, I can get enough leverage to apply really deep pressure, and it also keeps the stool from sliding away from the client. I did get asked if I needed a lot of leg strength, so have a listen.
Leg strength in order for you to hold those legs up at that angle.
No, I'm just stomping.
Well, I was going to say you don't because you're running. I'm talking about new therapists that are learning it. No.
You're having way too much fun.
So are you.
So here's a close-up of glute and piriformis work. So you can see where my feet are and what I'm doing. The routine covers a full session of massage with both the posterior and the anterior portion, but most of the application is applied with the client face down. The trap and pec work is a breeze. Your feet have twice the amount of receptors than your hands have. So it's just like when you're in massage school. At first you learn, then you practice, and then you feel the tension in your hands. So it's the same with your feet. So I'm Michelle Mace, and I'm a barefoot master. As always, be well, be safe, and wear the stupid mask.